Good morning, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home and doing great work. Very nice. Today, Mamta ma'am is here again with the English class. In English class, we will learn what we will learn. Think about it. What we will learn? Yes, we will learn the next letter, the letter N. Look here. This is the flashcard of letter N. This is the capital N. And I will introduce you small n also. Look here. This is capital N and this is small n. And the sound of N is N. N. Nib. N. Nib. N. Nest. And few vocabulary words we will learn from our which book? Yes, this is your language dictionary book on the page number 27. Yes, look here. This is capital N and this is small n. And the capital N, first we will make a vertical line, then one slanting line, then again vertical line. This is capital N, and for the small n we will make small vertical line, come up, make a curve, go down with a vertical line. This is small n, and the sound of n is, tell me. The sound of n is n. 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 Noon. Noon means क्या होता है? Yes, noon का मतलब होता है दोपहर. Means आफ्टरनून होता है ना. आफ्टरनून मीन्स दोपहर का टाइम, जब सन जो है बहुत अपनी हॉट रेज देता है. ओके, दैट इज द नून. एंड दिस इज द नूडल्स. डू यू लाइक टू ईट नूडल्स? यस. ओके, बट we should not eat noodles because noodles are the junk food and we should not eat the junk food. Okay, and this is the nest, and you know this nest is a house of birds. जैसे आप अपने हाउस में रहते हैं ना, ऐसे ही जो बर्ड्स होती हैं, जो बर्ड्स का जो हाउस होता है वो ऐसे वाला नेस्ट होता है. ओके, और ये नेस्ट कहाँ पर होता है? ऑन द ट्री. यस, एंड दिस इज द नोज. Touch your nose, everybody. Yes, this is nose, and this is nail, and this is neck. Touch your neck. Yes, this is neck. Neck. Okay, and what is this? Can anybody guess? Yes, this is nuts. We should eat nuts. Okay, and these are the numbers. Have you learned these numbers in your maths class? Yes, very good. Numbers. And this is net. And which number is this? Yes, look here. Tell me. Which number is this? Yes, 9. Very nice. 9. Now you have to revise this page with your mama. Yes, very nice. Now we will learn how to write letter N. First we make capital N with the help of this dough. Okay, look here how we will write capital N. For the capital N, first we make a vertical line. First what we will make? Speak everybody. Yes, first we will roll this dough and make a vertical line. Yes, like this. This is the vertical line. Now we will make slanting line. Yes, अब आप भी ऐसे ही एक्टिविटी अपने हाउस में करेंगे. ओके, मम्मा को बोलेंगे, आपको मम्मा थोड़ा सा डो देंगी और आप ऐसे वाला एन राइट करेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ डो. यस, दिस इज द स्लैंटिंग लाइन. Now again the vertical line. Again we will roll this dough. Through this activity our fine motor skills are developed. Yes, look here. This is the vertical line again. Yes, look here. This is the capital N. First we make a vertical line, then slanting line, then again vertical line. This is capital N. And now we will write small n on the rice tray. This is your rice tray, and in this rice tray we will write small n. Okay, look here. First we will use these two fingers. First we make a small vertical line like this. This is your vertical line, then come up, make a small curve, go down with the vertical line. Yes, look here. See, this is your small n. Again we will write small n. First use these two fingers. We make a vertical line, then come up, make a curve, go down with the vertical line. Yes, this is your small n. This is the capital N and this is the small n. You have to write this capital N and on small n on the rice tray and with the help of dough. Okay? Now I hope you understand the letter N. Okay, now it's a activity time. Now we will do one activity, that is the match with picture. Look here. Match with pictures. आपको क्या करना है? मैम ने वन साइड पे लेटर्स राइट किए हैं एंड वन साइड पे पिक्चर्स हैं. ओके, यू हैव टू मैच the picture with the right alphabet. Okay, tell me which letter is this? Yes, this is the letter K. And K for find. K for elephant? No. K for fish? No. K for ball? No. K for jacket? No. K for kite? Yes, K for kite. So we make a line from the K to the kite. Yes, look here. And tell me which letter is this? Yes, this is the letter E. E for? Yes, E for elephant. Now we make a line from E to elephant like this. Now look here. Which letter is this? This is the letter F. F for fish. Yes, this is fish. Now which letter is this? Tell me fast. Livansh, tell me which letter is this? Nafsirat, Gurpreet, tell me fast. Yes, this is the letter B. And B for find which picture belongs letter B. Yes, this is ball. B for ball. And we make a line from B to ball. Yes. And which letter is this? Manchika, tell me which letter is this? Shivai, speak everybody. Yes, tell me fast. Yes, this is the letter J. And J for tell me which picture is this? Speak everybody. Yashvi, tell me. Yes, this is J for jacket. Yes. Now we will match J to the jacket. Yes. Now you have to do this type of activities at your home with your parents. Okay? Bye bye.